pilot started flying loose aircraft and fire breathing monsters after training in the two-seat version. Each airplane is a stock FAA certified airplane, not an experimental hotel. See if each flight looks like the training flight you would like to take. As he comes in and performs sequence of maneuvers right at Air Show Center. Out of the Y-axis, Keith is going to be bringing it back around here shortly and continues to rack the airplane through the sky. He's now climbing for altitude. One of the few times the airplane actually flies straight and level. All right, here comes Keith. He's pitched over. He's on the nose down. The airspeed is accelerating. The smoke system's on. He's back in the air show business. With the airspeed exceeding 200 miles an hour, he comes right back to Air Show Center. A sequence of aileron rolls. And has more rolls than a Pillsbury Doughboy. He reaches the left-hand side of the aerobatic airspace and pulls into the vertical. Our pilots today are flying in a block of airspace designated by the Federal Aviation Administration for our flying here today. They're going to keep flying right up to the edge of that invisible block, switches over on a 45-degree downline and allows the engine to accelerate. 1, 2, and 1.5 step rolls as he's over upside down. Stall the airplane. He rotated around his own center line. The deviator went up to about 7.5. Meaning he weighs 7.5 times his normal weight here on the surface of the earth as he pushes outside. Now 4 times negative G is trying to force him out of the cockpit. For this reason, he wears 2 complete sets of seat belts. 3/4 of an outside loop, and he's back to Air Show Center. Looks like a thunderstorm penetration maneuver to me as he takes the airplane, rolls it right and left. Straight line up, quarter roll right, quarter roll left. Half roll and continues to roll the airplane down. Let's see if you can get it. Okay, you're going to have to stop him before you get into the cloud. There he goes. And he just hangs there right below our cloud line here today. He kicks the airplane into and spin. The airplane stopped flying. It's actually rotating around its own center line. There's no lift. It's parachuting down. All right, you're starting to scare me. There you go. Ah, that's good. Recovering the airplane precisely on the runway heading. Now pulling out a very nice barrel roll. That's a mundane maneuver for this airplane, a 1G maneuver. And then out. Once again, he loves to fly upside down. During the week, he's working with electrical engineering problems, high hardware, and all that kind of stuff. And he comes out on the weekends. What does he do? He calls this stress relief as he comes diving at the ground to an altitude of less than 10 feet. Again, back to the direction. Aileron rolls as he pitches out on the Y-axis and unrolls it the other way around. Again, upside down, pushing himself to the absolute limit. Got 49 years old. Well, not too many 49-year-olds that can go out and fly like that. He also flies the Beechcraft Barrett, based at Manassas Airport, Virginia. He works many weekends at the Flying Circus just outside of D.C. During this maneuver, this presentation, he has taken the MXS, single seat MS, to a positive 12, negative 16. Speed 300 miles an hour. And there he comes by you flying on the knife edge as he comes across. His salute to each and every one of you that has joined us out here today. Desirable Warbird aircraft on the market. With prices many-fold what could have been purchased from the government surplus in 1940. Perhaps the finest tribute to this superb ship around the world for that to go through. All right, nothing like sitting and waiting in the airport as we're looking for our next